moving on to UAG armor shell. So it's a hardcore case, 1 year limited warranty, patent pending. Why don't you get it patented then? Rugged protection plasma series, drop tested, approved, mil standard, so military standard, urban armor gear case. So I've read a lot from the box because even I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't know. So it comes off like that. Case is off from the box. Yes, you're gonna miss that color right away. I almost dropped. Looks and feel grippy at the same time. There's a rubbers on the side, white and black accent at the back, UAG logo, a huge UAG logo over there. On the side, you can see there is volume plus and minus button with a power indicator. Again, buttons are super tactile. I can literally feel them. And there's a Kate Spade. I can't see myself rocking this flower case, but I would have loved to rock a pink one. Made for S20 plus, protective hard shell case, and drop protection approved. It just slides out like that. They have a Kate Spade New York. In a true Kate Spade New York, we dress whatever. It's a mix match of hard plastic and TPU on the side. You can still see the blue color. And if you're a fan of flowers, then why not? Again, it's grippy, a lot of super grippy. It'll protect your phone. Just again, it has the layer on the side. What do you think? What's your take about this phone?
It's nice. The design's unique. I mean, at least for us, because we don't usually use this.
I would not. I can't see myself using a floral case. What would you? Do you think you'll use this case?
Maybe.
Maybe? Not me. I can't use a floral case, man. I can't.
I've had floral items like I think shorts before and shirts.
Oh yeah, no shorts. It's totally fine, I guess. But I don't know. I don't know. I didn't know. No, I can't. Okay. And lastly, we have two cases from
our very own Samsung.
From Samsung. Again. A disclaimer, this video isn't sponsored by Samsung, Kate Spade, OtterBox, UAG, or the Tech 21. So let's try the smart LED cover. So it's made for S20, it's not the clear case, and I feel bad for taking this thing off. There's a quick start guide. I don't know why do I need to read this guide. I guess the moment I put it on, it'll have some NFC chips. Feels so good. Remember Samsung once made a case for S8 like bikini? They have one top and one bottom, but nothing in the middle. Did you know? Okay, I'll show it somewhere here again. Oh, wait, what? It shows Galaxy and Friends. So I'm gonna go through the process. I'm not sure if you'll see anything here at the back. If you do, let me know.
3 hours later.
Now, if I turn on the camera, you're gonna see it's showing a smiley.
Yep.
So it's telling you, sir, you over there at the back, to smile. If I turn it off, it's gone. If someone gives me a call, so again, it'll show the call icon. So it's a cool case. I've put it down, lay flat. It shows there's like lights and stuff glowing. I mean, like good for kids. So it'll tell me about notifications, calls, missed call. If I'm taking a photo, it'll show that smiley icon. I can change those icons as well. So it protects your phone at the same time. It isn't that much like with the drop protection or everything which you would expect from the other cases in the series today. But at least it gives you the clean look, the aesthetics, plus it's a handy that you can also see notifications at the same time. So moving on to the next case by Samsung, clear view cover. So which I'll show you again. The case is a flip case, so unlike others so far, this is the first flip case of the day. Again, the phone slides in.
You look so old using a flip case.
Do I?
Yes.
So the moment I turn it off, there's a layer of a screen. This up there is a notification bar. So these are notifications that I have, and then there's a time. The moment I open it, it opens the phone. Shut it off. There you go. You see the notification and the time. I wish that I could see the time this way, like this way instead of this way. It is what it is. Again, for the protection, not that much. There is no bump on the side. If it falls face down, you're done. But you hope this thing was covered the whole time. And there's one last case in the whole case marathon. It's by Switch LBT. It's a magnetic flip case, again, a way for you to look old. as mentioned by Amrit previously. It hurts. And there's this magnetic thing at the back for your cars.
5 hours later.
So good thing is that they're providing you one that you can put on your car's air vent. But these guys did not thought through. If I own any of the Tesla car, this thing is useless because they don't have conventional air vents. But the case itself has a flap to keep it closed, so if it fails, there's a flap that's gonna protect you. And here you can put a bunch of your cards. Want to see the best part? Magic. Case comes off if you just want to rock the case by itself. There's a texture at the back. It's a grippy one, also on the sides for the better grip. Let's put the case in. Again, you will not be able to see the phone that much, phone's color, but at least it's a case. And now you can do this. Why it's not strong? Wait, what? Oh, now it makes sense. There you go. So this, no, it's still not strong. Whatever gimmicky, I'm not gonna use this ever. And I can put a bunch of cards over here, like my photo ID. So 3 cards, or you can put more if you want to make it look ugly in a matter of few days. And there's another slot where you can put in more cards or any cash. And it still closes, but it feels weird at this point now. But have a screen protector so you won't mess up your screen. Oh, it does bend. Actually, it does bend to watch movies and stuff. Let's see if what can we do. So if you want to watch your movies, you can do that. You want to see how does it feel, this one?
The magnets
Or
feel strong, but in the case, like just the case itself, it's
the case itself
pretty
is good.
Yeah.
Not the best out of all we've tested. Did you try this one earlier? Okay, so now the question is, out of all these cases, which one do I pick as the best one? Well, third place for me was this Samsung. It doesn't give you protection at all. It's slim, as you can see. There's no bump to protect at the sides. It doesn't give you protection, but it gives you function. This is my third place. My second place would be, Symmetry. And my first one is this guy in the S21, the ultimate slim case that does the job. Third, second, and first. What do you think, Amrit? What's your pick? If you have to pick one, let's just say if you have to pick one case to be your primary case for everything, for this phone. Computer?
If I'm putting on a skin, I'd go for this. But just in case, I would go
Just
for
the protection?
Go for this. Oh no, actually this one.
The Symmetry, right?
Yeah.
So this is my second choice. This is Amrit's second choice. And yeah, all the stuff, everything. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and these are all the cases we are working on. Huh?
Links.
Oh, so links of all these cases would be down in the description. Again, this isn't sponsored by any of the brands you've seen or from where I've bought, but I'll put the links, try my best. And there are a lot of cases that I've never seen, or like can't really go out in the market and buy it. These are the cases that you can go out in the market and buy it in the physical stores. But you can also do it online. Well, until next time, it's me, Gearton, with Amrit behind the camera. Peace. Well, while wasting the time, just kidding.